Today I'm whisking away to the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean with a spiced Greek chicken recipe. With aromatic spices like coriander, cumin and a hint of cinnamon, this dish promises a burst of flavours and flashbacks to your summer holiday with every single bite. Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty and welcome back to my Food for Fitness kitchen. Every culture has its gastronomic treasures, and for Greece, it's the symphony of fresh produce and beautiful aromatic spices. This recipe brings the soul of the Greek islands straight onto your dinner plate. Every bite will remind you of that summer holiday where you heard the Greek grandmas gossiping in the market, the balmy Mediterranean sea breeze, and the lively chatter in the local taverna. We'll cook everything in the one pot, the prep's a doddle, and the whole thing takes about 20 minutes. Sounds good? This is how you do it. For prep, all you need to do is to chop up 1 red pepper and 1 onion. This recipe would also work quite well with shallots if you've got any. I didn't, so I'm just using a regular white onion that I had lying around. But then you're going to heat a large frying pan on a medium to high heat with some oil in it and gently fry the onion and peppers until they start to soften and the onion starts to turn golden brown. Then to that you're going to add 600 grams of chicken breast. I've chopped it in quite large chunks, and then you just want to fry that for a few minutes to get some colour on it. It doesn't need to be fully cooked through at this stage because that will happen later. And then add your garlic, your coriander, your cumin and your cinnamon. Fry off that garlic and those seasonings for about 30 seconds to a minute. And at this point in the video, it would be fantastic if you could just click that like button. It won't interrupt the video, but it really does help me with the growth of the channel. Then to that, you're going to add 1 can of chopped tomatoes along with 300 mils of chicken stock. I always pour the stock into the can first to get the last of the chopped tomatoes out before pouring the rest of it into the pan. Then season with salt and pepper, just as much as you prefer. And then keeping that on a high temperature to encourage the sauce to really thicken up and a lot of evaporation to happen. Simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you're going to add in your green olives, or you could skip them if you're not a fan. And then plate it up, garnish with some fresh parsley and get stuck in. So that is spiced Greek chicken, super easy to make recipe, great for midweek. This goes really well with orzo or rice or even pasta. And any kind of vegetables, but I particularly like it with boiled or steamed spinach on the side. And like I said before, you don't have to add the olives if you're not a fan, but I love olives, so I really like it in the recipe. Anyway, if you want the full recipe for this, along with all the macros and the calories, you can get it along with over 280 other high protein recipes in my Food for Fitness recipes app. And if you just click the link below in the description, you can download that on both Apple and Android devices. And yeah, there's plenty of inspiration there for you. Anyway, I'm going to go and eat this. I was about to say I'm going to go and cook this. I'm going to go and eat this. I'll speak to you later.